อ๋อแก่อย่างเงี้ยเหรอ Now I make the papaya salad we call somtum, and this with the green papaya. We use this for my salad. Thai salad so popular in Thailand, and then we eat this. We wait for yellow and we eat when soft. And now I cook like this. Today I help my parents to do rice for farmer. They cut yesterday and I help them do today. My mom look at me. My dad eat food inside this room. We're building the kitchen for them. And this kitchen I building from 2 months ago. Look country. I love it. I will show you how to cook the Thai papaya ส้มตำนะคะ Okay, time for make papaya salad. Just want to put chili. You put some chili if you like more spicy. You can put spicy. If you don't like too much spicy, you don't need to put too much. And put some garlic. I put some garlic. I not take too much. My mom, she make it really small. And I put this and put it all together like this. And I put some the long green bean, this, and I cut inside here. Easy, so easy. See inside. Just do a little bit, that's it. You don't need too much. And I love it. I can eat this every day. I put some sugar. If you don't have this sugar, you can use the brown sugar. Anything is fine. When I'm in the America, I use anything sweet. I use the brown sugar from Walmart. If you don't like too much sweet, you don't need to put too much. If you like sweet and you make a lot, same me. I use I make a little bit sweet for me. I like the taste sweet and sour and a little bit fish sauce. Put like this and have some lime. This lime. Then I put this, I don't know in English, we call this มะเขือ I cut and I put inside. These fruits are actually same Thai salad and you have more vegetable to eat. And actually you need to put, they put tomato. Yeah, tomato, but I don't have it. And if you don't like, you can put like this and put papaya and put inside like this is fine. And put a little bit fish sauce. Do like this, put a little bit fish sauce, just whatever you like. Let's just put some a little bit and mix this together. I put some crab too. This is a crab and we call pudong. If you don't like and you don't need to put it, but I love it. Inside. And you mix together. Yeah, you do like this, mix together and put some extra. Actually everything I eat a lot. And you mix together. You not need to do strong, more gentle. And a bit taste sweet and sour from lime, and a little bit salt from fish salt. If you put this crab be more salt. But if you don't like, you don't need to put it. I'm ready, and put some peanut and put some crab. That's it. This look good for me. These are some Thai people, actually younger lady, they eat almost every day. We call somtum Thai. And I use somtum with the crab. We call somtum po. My mom, she do her laundry and by her hand. I don't know. She not use her machine. I'm still here in Thailand. The same thing. I have time 1 week left. And see. I want to show my life in Thailand with my porn and my house in the back. When I look at my house, I'm so proud because I building by myself.
ซักผ้าแก
ซักแล้วซักอีกนะ
แล้วก็
แม่
เสื้อก็จำได้แต่เสื้อจะพูดอ่ะ
แม่จำเสื้อชมพูได้จริงๆเลยอ่ะ
เดี๋ยวก็ดูนะเสื้อจะพูดอีกอ่ะเดี๋ยวก็ดูว่าอย่างคนเนี้ยซักอะเสื้อผ้าจุกมันฟิล์มเก่าเปล่าวะ
มันก็เสียภาพพจน์ของอีกอะสิถ้าหนูยืนดูแล้วแม่ทำงานน่ะมันภาพมันจะเป็นรูปแบบว่า จะดูไม่ค่อยกระตันยูอ่ะคล้ายๆ
ก็อย่ามาถ่ายไม่จะสร้างภาพก็จะถ่าย อย่ามาถ่ายให้เสียภาพพจน์เนี่ยย้ายไปถ่ายที่อื่น
Yesterday my mom my dad they cut rice and today make the rice dry on the road here and see and tomorrow we need finish and dry enough. So I want to show you this all rice they have. They keep this rice for eat and for grow for next year too. Yeah, and I need to help them do this. รอแม่ไง My mom, she hurt her legs
ร้อน
from today,
โอ้ยร้อนแล้ววะ
and the doctor say you use from this tree. They say by your to put and help. I don't know can help or not. I hope work. แม่ยิงไม่ตอบแม่